All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the latch here. We're going to get a piece of dental floss, and we're going to run the dental floss through the replacement latch. It's easier if you have a waxed piece and you can straighten it out. Get it to go in that way. Then you're going to do a quick knot, just a single knot, and attach it to the top of the shaft here. And the goal is to just pull the shaft up through this new lock. You'll also see there's an arrow here. The arrow is for after installation. If you want to use the lock function using your key, the arrow needs to be facing forward in order for the key to work. All right, so put it in like this, pull it up. Well, so one thing you may have to do, clear out the shaft, make sure make sure you got a full path through. Let's try that again. Okay. And there we go. Pull the shaft up. And honestly, you can just keep pulling on this and it will just come right off. You then grab your clip. You're going to do the flat side down, or facing the base of the lock. So the clip's going to go right over that. If your existing clip is okay, you can use that one, or you can use the one included. You then push the piece down, and you grab the screw top, and you're gonna gently try to put this on. It's just got a few threads, shouldn't be too tight. If it gives you resistance, make sure it is on correctly. You might have to back it out and try again, but you just want to tighten it till it stops. You don't want to go any farther. And that is it for the Magnalatch V2, and this was for option A. If you have a different model, or if you have a different setup on your shaft, then there will be other videos for you to look at the instructions for. Thanks.